Alright, so good day, no? And today we are going to be discussing all about food and beverage service. I know this is very familiar sa ato ano, kay ginabalik-balik na nato niyo discussed. So, kuan rin no kanang quote, good food brings guests in, while excellent service brings them back. So, this is very true, no? Kay ang lami na pagkaon, mauna ang makagani sa guest na musud sa usa ka restaurant. Pero, ang serbisyo na atong ginahatag, mauna ang makapabalik sa ilaha og sud. Di ba? If masatisfy na to sila sa atong serbisyo na ginahatag, there are big chance na mahimo silang loyal customer sa atong restaurant. So next no is the objectives of food and beverage service. So first is to provide excellent and consistent guest service. So dapat atong service is very consistent no. Dili kay kanang karong adlaw maayo kay tag serbisyo pero yung ugma dili na. So we have to be consistent. The next is to ensure proper food safety and hygiene. So this is a must no. Dapat ato yung tan-awon ng atong pagkaon if okay na ba? Wala ba'y hugaw? Or atong appearance lang as a waiter or as a worker sa usa ka restaurant, di ba? We have to also look at our appearance if neat ba tatanawon or hugaw ba tatanawon. Okay, that has a great impact no sa ato ang guest. Next is to improve efficiency and teamwork in service. Just like they said no, teamwork makes the dream work. So mas madali ang trabaho if magpatabang ta sa uban. And also to increase guest satisfaction and loyalty. So that's the main objective no. Kaya atong gusto mong yun is masatisfy ang atong guest sa atong service. And also magbalik-balik sila, mahimo silang loyal customer. Alright, so next no is the importance of food and beverage service. First is to create a positive dining experience, diba? We don't want ang guest na maka-experience og negative. So, dapat positive gyud atong mahatag na service sa ilaha. Then, second is builds restaurant reputation. So, if ever makasaang usa ka waiter, like for example, ang food na ay hugaw or na ay gamay nga langaw, diba? That can impact the restaurant's reputation. And also increase customers' trust and return visits kani. Just like I said no, if ever nga atong service na mahatag is excellent service na masatisfy ang ilang mga gusto, mabalik-balik na nila. Then reflects professionalism of the establishment. If natin mabuhat na sayop no na di ta kiba mo apologize sa atong guest or like masuko po tag-appeal, di na siya professional, di ba? Wata nag-show of professionalism. So that can impact the restaurant's reputation.
So first, role and food and beverage service. So sa restaurant, each staff nagyo na sa mga specific role. So first is the dining captain. The dining captain is the one who supervise the service. So siya ang in charge sa flow, sa operation. So for example, kung may complaint ang guest, siya ang mo-handle o mo-solve sa problem. So the waiter or service crew, so mao na ang mo-serve sa food and drinks. So sila ang mo-take og order o mohatod sa pagkaon sa table. So the host or hostess, so mao na ang mo-welcome sa guest. Sila ang mo-greet o mohatod sa customer sa ilang table. So the next is the bar staff. So mao na ang mo-prepare og drinks like coffee, juice, or cocktails. So the supervisor. So supervisor ensures the smooth ang operation. Siya ang mo monitor sa tanan staff kung sakto ba ang service. So next is personal grooming and hygiene. So importante kaayo ang cleanliness sa hospitality industry. Dapat clean and complete ang uniform, net ang hair, shirt and clean ang nails, ug permi mag-hand washing. So for example, before mo serve og food, kinahanglan maghugas sa kamot properly to avoid contamination. Kung limpyo tatanawon, mas mosalig ang guest nato, di ba? So cleanliness shows professionalism. So lastly, service etiquette. So, service etiquette means proper behavior when dealing with guests. So, dapat mag-smile ta, polite ang language, maintain eye contact, o tarong ang posture. So, for example, instead moingon ta og unsa man imong gusto, mas professional siya kung moingon ta og good evening sir, ma'am, may I take your order? So, respectful and professional service leaves a good impression sa guests. Mo na importante ang teamwork, grooming, and proper etiquette sa food and beverage industry.
So next is basic table setting. So table setting is very important because it creates a good first impression to the guest. So first is proper placement of plates and cutlery. So ang proper placement of plates and cutlery is very important in table setting because it shows order, cleanliness, and professionalism. So the main plate is placed at the center of the place setting, directly in the front of the chair. So if there is a side plate or bed plate, it is placed on the upper left side of the main plate. And for the cutlery, we follow a simple rule. Use from the outside going inward. So the forks are placed on the left side of the plate, while the knives and spoons are placed on the right side. The knife blade should always face the plate kay safety o proper etiquette na siya. And the spoon is placed on the outer side of the knife. And if there is a dessert spoon or fork, it is placed horizontally above the plate, with the handling pointing to the right or left depending on the type. And the proper placement helps guests know which utensils to use and makes dining more comfortable. If sakto ang placement sa plates and cutlery, mas dali ang service ug mas professional tan-awon ang table. So next is correct glassware positioning. So correct glassware positioning is important because it helps guests easily identify which glass to use and keeps the table organized. So ang water glass is usually placed above the knife on the upper right side of the main plate. This is the first glass the guest will use, nga mao nga siya ang pinakaduol o pinakauna nga glass. So if there is a wine glass, it is placed next to the water glass, slightly to the right. So if there is a red wine glass, is usually placed first, followed by the white wine glass. So arrange from left to right. For other drinks like juice or champagne, the glass is placed according to the order or service. So all glassware should be aligned properly and spaced evenly para dili magbangga og safe gamiton. The glasses must also be clean, polished, and free from fingerprints kay this reflects good hygiene and professionalism. So by proper glassware positioning makes the table look elegant and helps provide smooth and comfortable service to guests. And next is clean table napkins and linens. So clean table napkins and linens are very important in food and beverage service because they reflect cleanliness and professionalism. So table linens such as tablecloths and placemats should always be clean, well pressed, and free from stains or wrinkles. Dili jud dapat makita ang hugaw kay makaapekto sa impression sa guest. A clean table linen makes the dining area look neat and inviting. So napkins should always be clean, properly folded and placed correctly on the table, either on the plate. So beside the plate or inside the glass depending on the style of service. So the napkin is used by the guest during the meal. Mao nga kinahanglan hygienic og fresh tan-awon. Using clean napkins and linen shows that restaurants values hygiene, comfort, and guest satisfaction. So if limpyo ug hapsay ang table, mas ganahan ang guest ug mas confident sila sa service. And next is, lastly, is organized and presentable table. So an organized and presentable table is important because it creates a good first impression for the guests. So all items on the table should be arranged neatly and correctly. plates, cutlery, glassware, napkins, and table linens, kinahanglan hapsay og sakto ang pwesto. So there should be no unnecessary items on the table to avoid clutter and confusion. So the table should be clean with no food crumbs, water stains, or fingerprints. Chairs should be properly aligned and the overall setup should look balanced and comfortable. So a presentable table makes guests feel welcomed and relaxed. So when the table is organized and presentable man jud, it shows professionalism and attention to detail. This helps improve the dining experience and reflects the quality of service of the restaurant. Next is the order taking procedure. So order taking starts by greeting the guest politely. We should always smile and say good day or good evening. Kay importante kaayo ang first impression. Then listen carefully to the guest order. Paminaw jud og tarong aron walay sayop. After that, we repeat the order for confirmation para masiguro nga sakto ang ilang gi-order. And lastly, send the order accurately to the kitchen or POS system. As the saying goes, a well-taken order prevents service errors, so kinahanglan klaro ug sakto ang order. And lastly is food and beverage service styles. So there are different types of service styles na ay American service, French service, Russian service, and buffet service. So American service is when the food is already plated in the kitchen and served directly to the guest, while ang French service is more formal, where food is prepared and finished tableside. Ang Russian service means food is served from a platter and the server portions it to the guest, while ang buffet service is self-service, kung asa ang guest mismo ang mukuha sa ilahang food.
Food safety and hygiene. First is proper hand washing. Second is correct food handling and storage. Third is clean equipment and utensils. And the last is avoid cross contamination. Next is handling guest complaints. First is listen calmly and respectfully. Second is apologize sincerely. Third is take immediate action. And the last is inform supervisor when necessary.
Professional service attitude. First is teamwork and cooperations. Teamwork and cooperations kay importante ni siya kay aron mapadali ang trabaho. Second is positive attitude. Third is willingness to learn. Last is respect for guests and colleagues. Next is conclusion. Food and beverage service is not only about serving food, but about creating meaningful experience through proper grooming, service etiquette, accuracy, and professionalism. Serving staff play a vital role in guest satisfaction and business success. Excellent service leaves a lasting impression and turns guests into loyal customers.